Keep this on the hush, I know you see me on the radio. I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriend says.
Hey guys, so for the first time I am talking through this video, just a little something. My house is empty, so I'm grateful for that. Bella is outside doing what she want to do in the backyard. So yeah, I'm gonna talk through this one. Won't be no voiceover. So yeah, I'm here to present a wig to you guys. This wig is by a company called Wig Only. So this is the box that the wig came in, and I'm so sorry if you guys hear my air conditioner in the background. I am not turning it off because girl, we're on what the hell, we're on a heat wave, and I believe it's like 90 something degrees outside right now. So yeah, it's pretty hot. So anyway, this is the box that the wig came in. Very nice sturdy box. I love it. Oh, and let me know, you guys, if you want me to do a tutorial on this little summer look that I pretty much created. Is that Bella? I gotta listen for her because she's crazy. So anyway, inside the box there's the wig, and it's another blue wig, you guys, but again it's from a totally different company. So the wig did come with a elastic band in case I want to sew it on the back. Hopefully I won't have to. And it also came with 2 wig caps, which I am wearing one of them on my head, but yeah, my own. This is brand new. So let me just open up the wig real quick and show you guys. This is usually where I'm doing the voiceover, so it's kind of different. Alright, so you guys saw the plastic packaging that it comes in, just standard. And this is the wig itself. Now I'm opening up this wig for the first time, you guys, so bear with me. It does have the netting to keep the shape of the wig or keep it protected, and it also does have tissue paper, again, to keep the shape of the wig. So this is, I believe this is a full lace wig. Yes, this is a full lace unit, and as you can see, this is also a 360. I've had it for quite a while, so I want to apologize to the company for just getting around to doing this. But if you guys follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, then you pretty much know that I haven't been feeling well lately. So my health is like up and down. Today is a good day actually, so I was able to do my makeup and get on camera and share everything with you. So this is, again, this is a 360. This is what it looks like inside out. Very, very nice. Again, it's a full lace. It does have adjustable straps, and it has combs. It has 2 combs in the back and 1 right up here at the top, which I don't really care for because it doesn't do anything for the wig. So you guys, I'm just going to go cut the wig off camera, and I'll be back to show you all what it looks like on my head. Be right back. Alright, so I got the lace cut off, so I'm just going to try this on camera in front of y'all. Please don't get on me because I'm in my pajamas. Listen, it's one of those days, honey. Okay, so let's try this on. Ooh, first time. Hopefully I don't have to adhere it to my head. Y'all like, shut up and put it on. So y'all know I literally just did a blue wig like a week ago, and I absolutely love that one too. So this one is pretty much the same thing. So I know y'all are gonna be like, what? Why do you have the same wig? Well, when I was ordering them, I wasn't sure. I don't know. I'm just talking. But this is what the wig is looking like so far. I'm loving it. I'm liking the texture. Very nice. I'm not going to adhere it to my head because, you guys, I have another wig review to do, and I'll probably adhere that one right after I'm done with this video. So ugh, flyaways, man, I hate them because they go everywhere. So this wig comes with it's parted on the side already, so I really wasn't planning on doing too much to it, so that's a good thing so far. But it's real nice, no shedding, little snags here and there, but I literally just put it on. So this is what the wig looks like right out the box. I'm saying I'm loving it. I'm loving the color so far. It's not too stringy like baby doll hair or anything like that. It's actually really thick, if you guys can see that. And I'm liking the little curl pattern. I'll have all of the information about this wig down below in the description box, so if you guys want to check it out, you can go ahead and do so. I'm just going to show you how long it is. So that's what it's looking like on me. I am 5'2", by the way, so this wig is hitting me right above my booty. You guys see that? Hope y'all can see that. Yeah. So I like it. It's real cute. I'm gonna go off camera real quick, and I'm just gonna use my, because I want to play my music. I'm gonna use my Irresistible Me curling wand just to flatten out this space right here and make it look a little better. I might even throw some more curls in it because it looked like it was curly. So I'm gonna just do that, and then I'm gonna go in with my, or maybe I just might straighten it. I don't know, because the other blue wig I did straighten it. So yeah, this one I'm gonna curl it, and I'm gonna do that off camera. So this is what I kind of came up with. I had to take my robe off because it was just way too hot in my room, especially I just do some curls or whatever, just so you guys can see how it looks curly. Just a little bit of wand curls, nothing too crazy. And I do have like a little clip just so you guys can see, like, you could do different styles with this wig. I'm not gonna like go all crazy, but it's a 360, so you could put it all up if you want to. I would suggest adhering it all the way around so that, you know, it's more secure. But I'm loving this wig. I really do like it. I love the way it curls. I love the way it feels. I didn't cut any baby hairs, as you guys can see. There's a lot of flyaways. I didn't even have to do much to that. I kind of like that because it gives it a more natural look. And yeah, like I said, it curls really well. And the curls, you know, they not on this side, it's a little tighter. This one is the one I started with, so they kind of drop to that, so you guys can see how that is. I didn't curl all of it. I still have a lot of hair in the back that's not curled, and I'll probably do that, you know, another day off camera, of course. But yeah, you guys, I did have it on my curling wand, my Irresistible Me curling wand. Oh, it's blue, just like my hair. I had it on 430, so the hair does take heat rather well. Again, it curled very nicely, no problems, no issues with shedding or tangling or anything like that, and I absolutely love it. So again, I got this wig from a company called Wig Only, and all of the information will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. And I might have some coupon codes for you guys, so you could use that. And yeah, on that note, let me know if you guys like this wig. Do you like it better straight or curly? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like